everyone, this is Kitty Cat Craft Studio here. Again, I'm on my Leo the Bunny 123 member account. I will usually do Kitty Cat Craft Studio, but I'm doing something that only a member can do, so I'm going to do it now. Since I have 111 diamonds, I am going to get the brand new igloo den, because I've been saving up for that, and I really want to get it, so let's go. Okay, so we're in the diamond shop, and oh, they still have these. Just quickly see if they have anything good. No, I don't see anything. Okay, so here over to the dens, the igloo estate. I'm gonna buy it without previewing it right now. There you go. Now I have 104. Okay, so now I'm going to change it. And in the last video, I totally got pranked because Firestar AJ and their friends totally, made me think I was famous and I had my den on the epic den list. And I don't get why I would be on it. This isn't even epic at all. But at first, I was like, I knew they were pranking me. And then they just kept doing it, and I seriously thought that they were telling the truth, even though it was, obvious. But this morning, a few minutes ago, from one of the people, they're like, you're famous. They're probably still thinking I don't know that it's a prank. But anyway, so I got the den, and I'm going to switch to the den. Okay, so maybe there's music that goes with this den. Whoa. I gotta say this den is so cool and definitely worth 7 diamonds. I really think, even though I just looked at this den, I really think if you're a member and you not sure if you should save up for this den or not, I really think you should get it. It's really good. So, last part is, we gotta get the music. So, let's go. Okay, so, I chose my music. This is Pet Parade, and I just did a little bit of this. So, that's really it for the video. I know it's really short. I really gotta get going, because I have something to do. And it's 7:59 in the morning, so I gotta get going. So, I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe, and have a good day. Bye!